Growing up, I really hated cabbage, but now it's something that I enjoy adding in my food. Let's make cabbage and sausage. This recipe is very simple yet very delicious. Welcome back to Miss Shear's kitchen. So guys, we are going to start by putting cooking oil in our pot. We're going to fry our sausage. I bought the countryside. That's the one that I love. From all the countryside or chakalaka, those are my favorites. Fry. Then you add your onion. After adding your onion, we're going to add our bell peppers. I'm wondering how long it took me to know that it's called bell peppers. And we're going to add carrot. And then we're going to fry our carrot, onion, and our bell peppers together. After frying, we're going to be adding paprika. Yes, not a lot, just enough. You know how you like your food, so that's the paprika that I use. Guys, please forgive me. I'll be taking things out of the drawer. When I made this video, everything was not in order. Then I'm going to be putting my vegetable spice. I love vegetable spice. I put it everywhere, in my eggs, in my vegetables, in my soup. I love vegetable spice. And then that was curry mild. So I removed it from the bottle it was in and I put it in the vegetable. And then this is the barbecue spice. If you notice, I didn't put salt. So the barbecue spice already has salt, so it's going to cover the spicy part and the salty part. And then I used this, it's a Bruvos sauce. You can get it in Pick n Pay, right? So after using that, I'm going to fry my spices. I find it very important to fry spices, though sometimes it makes the pot a bit black on the bottom. But fried spices are nice. Then we're going to add our tomato. I always put my tomato last because of the water it comes with. So it just dips the frying most of the times. And then we're going to just fry the tomato before adding water, because I noticed if you put a tomato and then you add water without the tomato being cooked, it takes time to be cooked. I don't know if I'm the only one who's noticed that, guys. Are you also noticing the same thing? Then we're just going to add a bit of water to allow the food boil a bit and for it not to burn. Remember, the spices already makes everything dry. So we just need that water to make sure everything we're making does not burn. Ooh, I'm a bit sleepy. But and then we're allowing it to boil because we need our spices to be cooked, guys. It's very important for the spices to be cooked and for us to also have that nice soup. But remember, we don't put a lot of water. Not a lot. But enough for us to have not so wet cabbage, but dryish cabbage. So at this stage, we add our cabbage and we allow our recipe to boil until the small water is done. And then, there we go. Our meal is ready. You can serve it with rice. You can actually eat this with rice. But I'm a pap girl. I love pap. I saved mine like this. So it was my brown salsa and my cabbage. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I love you guys.